Today's scientists must decide what, precisely, they are setting out to prove. They then design the changing conditions of the experiment around the specific variable they are setting out to measure. To make this modern method of scientific inquiry even more limited, the purpose of the inquiry itself cannot be accepted unless it is a repetition or a very close relation of work that was already done and published in academic presses. The modern scientific method is based on what we think we know and what we think we understand and can control. But the Base1 analysis is developed around the discovery of what we do not know. The overall limits of our understanding, knowledge, and concern set the limits for the Base1 system. The Base1 system is only concerned with the study of things that change and can be measured. Of things that change, all of them change in time. So one of the limits of the Base1 system is that each measurement must be taken at some time. Modern science often studies data as a relation of one measured variable to another, regardless of the time that the measurements were taken. For example, the levels of some protein measure might be studied in relation to temperature. Not only is the work done in making the original measurements lost, as the space-time coordinates cannot be practically realigned with other data, but the information in the measures themselves is lost, as two numbers are combined into one. So the second limit of the Base1 system is that all measures be reported as a single variable. Thus, a standard for sharing data is generated, having a time coordinate and a single variable measure. Added to this list is a label, which has the space coordinate for the data, the contact information of the person or persons who reported the measurements, and keywords for the database search engine.